Here we are in beautiful Punta Gorda, one of my favorite little places away from home. Perfect little day trip type thing. Of course, we're looking at the Fisherman's Village Yacht Basin right here. It's just a beautiful day. Blue sky, not one cloud up there. And look at that, we got an old pirate ship there. Let's see if we can get this a little closer. That'll have to do. Not too bad. Experimenting here with this. Okay. Plenty of pastel colored little condos overlooking. This would be actually Charlotte Harbor that we're looking at. Just a lot of water out here. Very pretty spot. A lot of tennis courts here too. I don't know how they can play in this wind, but there's some of them right there. Yeah, I'm getting the hang of this zoom lens here. Let's try that again. Here we are walking on the pier itself at Fisherman's Village. As you can see, these are some sizable boats here. They're not fooling around. These things can go in the ocean with no problem. Looking out at the harbor again, way out there. Not easy walking with this thing. Probably a lot of bouncing going to be evident, but we'll give it a try. One never knows. Do one. Gotta watch where I'm walking here. I could wind up in the water here. Sailboats here. These things could probably really move. They got motors just in case. The size of these guys. This one's all decked out, nice blue and cream color. Good looking little craft. This thing easily probably could sleep around 6 to 8 people, no problem. Getting closer to that pirate ship over there. Look at those dark timbers. That's funny. Good chance to try out the zoom again. Let's see. That's a little better. As we near the end of the pier, this thing has some sizable masts. Turns out the one pirate ship is actually two ships, as we can now see a little better. These are probably the same ones that appeared in Naples when we saw them the last time. So they can move, these things. They're all the way out here in Punta Gorda now. Here's a nice little shot of the opening. Here's where the boats would actually leave and enter into the Charlotte Harbor itself. Pan around here, as you can see, I'm on the pier itself. This is the last little leg of it. Not much to see. There's a shot right into the sun. I don't know how this will come out. These are all the condos across the way. And we did a full circle. The end. There's a little different shot on the other side of the boat basin. Now we're seeing the stern, the rear of those sailboats. As I said, these are serious sailboats here. These things can move. There's a cozy little spot right over there. Looks like a little patio. Looks over there. Great little spot. A lot of weird birds flying around. Listen to that one. Sounds like a leaky steam pipe. I guess we're all pretty waterlogged by now.